Hello, good evening everyone. I am Dr. Ruxana Mhate. I am a gynecologist and obstetrician, and I have passed from Grand Medical College. I have got more than 25 years of experience, and I'm practicing in Navi Mumbai, Vashi. Plus, I'm attached to corporate hospitals like MGM, Fortis Hiranandani, Cloud9, and even Apollo Hospital. And I am a foodie basically, and I love cooking food, especially healthy food. I try to convert the tasty dishes which we get otherwise into a healthy dish, so that the taste factor is also there, plus we enjoy the food, and we also get the health benefits, like important the nutrients and the vitamins, proteins, and everything. And especially since you can see me now that I am a health worker, a corona worker, and we have to really spend a lot of time with patients who may be COVID, who may not be COVID. So we have to take a lot of precautions. So we have to increase our immunity. Plus, we do not have time to cook food. So this dish which I am making is a very healthy, and it just we can make it within 10 to 15 minutes, and you will love it, especially the all the vitamins of proteins, eggs, and the other ingredients which are there. It is very nice and very easy to make. So even when you have your children asking, as soon as you go home, you have your children asking to make something in a jiffy. This is very easy, and all the ingredients are easily available. So do try and make it. Thank you. तो आज मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ आपके साथ में एक ऐसी लॉकडाउन रेसिपी जो बहुत ही यूज़फुल है, ख़ास करके हमारे कोरोना वर्कर्स के लिए, या वर्किंग वेमेन, इवन फॉर दी हाउसवाइफ एज वेल, especially when children just ask immediately at no time they want something really snack item to be eaten. But now the question for us is, it has to be healthy, and it has to be quick, and it has to be tasty. So the things to be made, there are many number of things, but what I am sharing today is everybody will definitely like it. So that is called, we in Konkan we call it as instant ghari. It's like a cake type you can say a cake type small snacks, like cakes, but which can be dipped in the tea, we can be dipped in milk, and I have as it is, and it is very very tasty and yummy. And especially when eaten hot, it is if the whole plate, whatever you make, will finish in a jiffy. So now let's go through the ingredients fast. So I'm taking semolina. So this is 1 cup semolina, okay, little less, then 3/4 cup of sugar, okay, and this is 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon of flour, so that it just acts like a binding agent for all that. And I've taken 2 eggs, and I've taken, just to make it a little bit healthy, ideally we can just make it with 1 full cup of rava semolina, but I've just reduced a bit of this 1 cup flour, and instead of that I've taken oats powder, almost 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of oats flour, in which I've also while grinding I have mixed little bit of walnuts, so it will add to the health factor also. So and the taste also is good. Otherwise, even if you do not have this, we usually, the ideal recipe is only with semolina, 1 cup of flour, but I have altered it to make it healthy. You can take 50-50, and also you can see how it is. Once you start making, we can make some changes, you can change the flour also. Actually, instead of whole wheat flour, which this I have taken, people all sometimes usually they use maida, but I don't want to use because maida is it causes inflammation in the body. And there are many other side effects also. So just already we are taking this sugar. So the sugar is also actually 3/4 cup, but I have taken little less. So you can alter the sugar content as per your family's requirements. Okay, I mean if they like very sweet, you can increase or decrease this. So these are the tips. So either the tips are, one is we can use, instead of one whole full cup of rava, you can take 50-50 of oats powder in this, or what I have done is just 2 to 3 tablespoons of rava I have removed and I have added oats powder, in which I have added walnuts, and 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour, but people, if you want, you can add maida also. Okay, so and then another thing which we need is, this is the baking soda. It just one pinch or two you have to take, that's it, just to make them light. Okay, also need a bowl to whisk and a whisker, and so that in this we can mix all the things. So even the vessels and other requirements are also not much, so the washing afterwards also is not much, so that also is important in lockdown, and especially when you do not have maids, so that also is important. Another what we need for this recipe is a non-stick fry pan. Even if you do not have non-stick, it is okay, you can take a steel or you can take aluminum or whatever, but I prefer not to use aluminum nowadays. So non-stick also, stainless steel is very good, but if you do not have, then a non-stick one is also fine. And you will be needing oil for shallow frying these cakelets. You can call cakelets, we call it ghari in Konkani, but we can call them cakelets also. They are really good, okay, and very yummy, and very relished by the small, the old and the young crowd. Oil you can use as per, for shallow frying we need, you can reduce or increase as per your requirement, but we can use it even with the minimum amount of oil. So let's start our recipe. First we have to add 2 eggs. Okay, so I have taken 2 eggs and I have to whisk it very nicely. Okay, so whisk the eggs very well, right? Next I am going to add my sugar and then whisk again. So I am whisking my eggs and the sugar, right? And now I'll add my other flours, the dry ingredients. So now I'll be adding the rava, 1 cup of rava, 1 or 2 spoons I've removed from the 1 cup, and I'll mix nicely. And of course I'm going to add the oats which I have taken for making it more healthy, and 1 tablespoon of atta. That's it. And now I'll give it a good mix. So I have given it a good mix. It will be little, so it's thickened like this. Now I'll give a waiting period of about 10 minutes. If it is not there, if the guests have arrived and you have to do it fast, there is no need to even wait. You can just immediately fry it. But before that, we have to add the soda khar or soda, the baking soda which we have, 2 pinches. So just before making, you have to add and nicely give it a mix again, and then so that they become light, and then fry them. So now I will give it 10 minutes wait. After 10 minutes, now I will be adding baking soda. See, just a 1 pinch or 2. Okay. So I added the pinch of soda, and now I'll give it a very good mix and start frying them. So the mixing after adding the baking soda is done, and now I'll take it for frying. You can see still the consistency. It should not be very thin. In case if you feel it is very thin, so you can add little more rava or little more, not much. Otherwise it will become very thick and the cakelets will become dry. I'll be taking this spoon to just take a spoonful and put in for frying. You can take whatever spoon you want and whatever small, it should be a little small, medium size spoon. So I've added oil to my fry pan, and once it is hot, so I'm just increasing the gas, not much but on a medium flame. So once it is hot, I will pour. So I'm taking a spoonful and then I'll pour it. See. When you're pouring, just keep little distance, so that because they expand, so keep little distance. So see how I've put 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so 6 I've put, and then we wait on a slow to medium gas, and the bubbles are appearing here. That's a good sign. So once the bubbles will appear from in all, and we have to just watch for these edges. So this edge, see, once it starts turning little brownish, we can turn it. So once this edge looks little brownish, we can turn them. So from the base, so we can turn them. Even this one, see, you can see, yeah. If you turn little early, doesn't matter. See, it just will collapse like this, but then again the taste will remain the same. Let the air bubbles come in, so it will be perfect then. So I have turned these, see, all, they're looking so beautiful, and then they are almost done. See, I'll show you, right? This is little more, but since this is perfect. Okay, see, I've turned them, so these are perfect. So this is the color we want, and they cook well. So this is little bit more, because in order to show you, this got little bit delayed. So see, they are ready, absolutely. And I'll make another batch, because in that I think 5-6 more will be done. So I put one more batch of my batter, still so much remaining. And here are my delicious cakelets, or we call them gharis. Okay. So these are my cakelets, small cakelets, and they are very easy to prepare. I am Dr. Rukhsana Mahatte. I am a gynecologist from Navi Mumbai, Vashi, and I am MD gynecologist. I have done my MD from Grand Medical College. I have done DGO and DICOG as well, and I'm practicing since more than 25 years. And I am a homemaker as well. Like, I love cooking. Cooking is my passion, but I try out different recipes and different cuisines, but I try to make them healthy. So this is one of the kind. This is a Konkani typical. I am from Konkan, and this is a Konkani recipe which my mother-in-law has taught me, and my mother-in-law's sister as well. And I have made some small changes by adding in instead of replacing little bit of rava with oats flour, and with added walnuts. So we have the goodness of walnuts, oats, so a little bit more healthy, little bit less sugar. So in her recipe, whatever the ingredients are there, I will mention that. Plus I will you can alter your this recipe contents as per our taste and as per our health factor. So instead of 3/4 cup sugar, I have used a bit less, and but it's fine, it tastes very good. So I hope you will make it and you will enjoy them, and your family will enjoy them, and I will love you enjoying all this lovely little recipe which is made in a jiffy, especially for some unannounced guests. And now in lockdown, all the corona warriors, especially, they don't have time to give at home, but as soon as they come, they can make this quick little snack and make their family happy, and they make themselves happy as well. So do try, and remember me. Thank you.